is a weird day today, guys. Going for a quick walk. I haven't missed a day since getting Gohan. Usually this is how my morning goes. First thing in the morning, wake up, I rehydrate with usually a warm cup of water, a cup of probiotics if I need to go to the washroom. I don't even think you guys need to know this. And then after that, without fail, I will always walk this kid. But it's like super beneficial for me. A win-win-win because I get my daily exercise, my cardio. Obviously, I still work out when I have more time at home. It's become routine that I always listen to something educational during these walks as well. And it could be like 1 hour, 2 hours sometimes. And then by the time I get home, like my mental is refreshed. I feel good because my blood is pumping. Of course, the dog gets to go for his daily walk. As long as he's tired, I'm happy. Isn't that right, Gohan? This guy's like built for this weather. Yes, even through like negative 40, 50 degree weather, plus negative 20 wind chill. But when you can't do anything about nature, you can keep your eye out on the weather and just dress appropriately, you know? You can't control Mother Nature, but you can control what you guys wear. See, what's actually great is I have this ravine minutes away from my house, and it's a perfect place to walk the dog. You guys want to? Sure, he hasn't done his business yet. Is that okay? I have his, sure. That's it. Yeah, okay, thanks guys. We'll see you later. Yeah. Aw. There he goes. Let's go hunt those strangers. They'll be okay. No, just kidding. Those guys are my neighbors. It's funny that we just met them on the walk though, but it gives me some time. Seriously. Thank you, neighbors. And this is why, you know, some people actually prefer paying a dog sitter or a dog walker to tire out their dogs because you know what, it almost is like taking care of a child, both in terms of finances and in, well, just generally taking care of them, you know, feeding them, bathing them, brushing their teeth, making sure they don't eat your Yeezys. But yeah, no, this is perfect. See you guys back at the home studio base, I guess.
When I was a kid, I would just find so much freedom in creating, so I would spend a lot of my time drawing. And I've flourished in these fantasy realms. It was hard for my parents to send me to my room because, well, that's where I strived the most growing up. I found the most freedom in my own solitude.
People that are different have a shot at being original. You know, they got motivation too. You know, they got motivation.
And even if we don't like to admit it, I think we're okay with being alone sometimes. I drew a lot because I wasn't good with words, so I'm thankful I found an avenue that gave me the ability to write my book with pictures. When you do a little personal soul searching and figure out that everybody is on their own agenda, you learn that everybody on this planet has a book they're writing, a collection they want to share, a video they want to film, the proverbial problem that they want to solve, a story of their own that they want to tell. But when you're no good with words, in a lot of circumstances, we just like to create.
Perfect timing. Yeah. Here's a couple of them.
Okay, thanks, man.
Of course.
How are you?
Good.
I was in the shot, I'm pretty sure. How's business?
Yeah, I guess usually during this season.
You're a different guy, eh? So what's your first name again?
Randy.
Oh, Randy. Right?
Yeah. Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I haven't seen you since the Driven show.
I know, that's right.
Yeah.
Yo, that's cool that you even went there, man.
Yeah, and you gave me a ticket, I think, so I could walk around for free. Right? Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
yeah.
That's
Oh,
very
of
cool.
course, man. Yeah, nice hat.
Thanks, yeah.
Of course, you
I
gotta
love
go.
the story, of the Grinch.
Yeah, yeah.
He has no heart in the beginning, he grows a big heart in the end.
Yeah, exactly, man. It's a good metaphor. That's all it, man. Yeah, oh, appreciate it.
Where's your car? I guess it's way in
I had to
the
park it, yeah. So this is the winter beater right now.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, get me through the winter.
Is green your corporate color? Because you got green on your camera too.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Yeah, no,
Kelly green specifically, actually.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, green and black.
Go Riders.
Actually, I wish I got my license plate in Saskatchewan, man.
No, you don't want to.
Just because it's green.
Riders suck. Good to see you, man.
Of course, you too. Yeah, nice surprise.
I'll be around. If I don't see you for Christmas, enjoy it, eh?
Yeah, happy holidays and have a good Christmas, bro.
Cheers.
We'll catch you. Deal. Super cool. Big timing. All right, what next? You gotta wipe your feet. Gotta wipe your butt too. I quit. So there's about 2 things left on the Celica for us to do if we want it to be exactly like the concept that we created months ago. Pull up the picture now. This is that rough concept that we made on Photoshop. I'll let you look at this photo actually for a couple seconds, see if you guys can figure out what those parts are. This is just the concept of the outer part of it, so exterior parts. So you guys figured out? There's the pretty obvious one is the Lambo doors. And then if you look really closely, I actually did Photoshop edit this onto this Celica. It's those side mirrors with the holes in it for super lightweight aerodynamics, I guess, which I actually have in this box right here. Now these are actually Ganador style, but they are exact replicas because the real Celica Ganador mirrors are almost $1,000 Canadian used. So I'm definitely not going to be spending that much on mirrors. And because the Celica is not our daily, it's just a winter beater anyway. Beater is such a careless term for Canadians. It's not a beater per se, but it beats the winter season. Not like some hoopty slapped out vehicle that has rust all over it. I'm over those kinds of cars on this channel, trust me. I'll give you guys a closer look at this when we actually install them on the car. These still actually all come with the necessary wiring for you to be able to control your mirrors from inside your car. But I'll give you guys a closer look and we'll go into more further detail when we actually install this on the car. And the other one I'm not really gonna show you because the box is heavy. Well, actually, I mean, I already opened the box anyway. Thank you, vertical doors. This one is for the Celica, and I mean, it looks like it comes with all the same exact parts that the RX-8 one did. So you got your actual hinge. Time to make our more practical winter daily less practical. Okay, I kind of just wanted to do a little show and tell, share with you guys some of the parts that I got in for the Celica. But for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. This place is a mess, man. Only because I got discouraged. The other day when I broke the vacuum cleaner, long story short, I broke all 3 vacuum cleaners that we had in this household. None of them were a Dyson. I tried fixing one myself. That didn't go so well. This is my family heirloom. I don't know why I don't just buy a Dyson. I think we snapped the belt around that thing. I think this is like the first vacuum cleaner my parents ever bought ever since moving to Canada like over 20 years ago. We were like one of the first Filipino families to move to North America. That explains why I don't have a Filipino accent. It works. Alright, time to test this out. Belt worked for 2 seconds and the wheel fell off. The fuck? Did this vacuum just break? Life doesn't want me to clean this house. And I was gonna dedicate that full day actually to cleaning the entire house, but after I spent like a good 2 to 3 hours not even being able to vacuum the first room that was on my list, I just gave up and I didn't even clean. So I'm gonna do that today. And also I have another art video that I want to release because I love to draw. Now there's this old video on my art channel where I basically draw head busts of anime characters from my favorite shows. But this drawing I did years ago, so of course my anime list has changed and now I want to recreate this drawing but with my new 2021 updated list. And actually probably a couple of the characters are gonna stay the same because those animes are just timeless. I'm gonna just get set up first. Alright, so this is what we got so far. My updated 2021 anime list. We got Luffy, Gon from Hunter x Hunter, Senku, Tanjiro,
Asta and Deku.
And then this random ass character in the middle there. I'm gonna finish inking this, but I'm also just gonna end this vlog because, well, for the rest of the night, it's basically just edit this video, draw, and probably go to bed. So if you do want to see the finished version of this, I am going to be editing and uploading it in the next few days on my art channel, so go subscribe there if you haven't yet. And if you noticed, guys, I couldn't keep up with the dailies just because I have so much on my plate right now, like, it's ridiculous. But this is me exemplifying that you guys should definitely start your 2022 early. It doesn't start in the new year. For the business, entrepreneurial minded people, it starts as early as like the fourth quarter in the last year. This is more so a note to myself, as always. It's like all these tidbits and stuff are the things that I'm thinking throughout the day. That I really should I forgot what syndrome it is, where like you're really good at giving people advice, just not good at taking your own. And that's what I got. I'm gonna quickly search this up. Siri, what is Q? Whoa, chill. Just joking, I got an Android. Sorry, it's not a syndrome, it's called Solomon's Paradox, where it's a contradiction. Basically, you're really good at thinking about other people's problems and how to solve them wisely, and also you're really good at giving other people advice, but never good at figuring out your own problems or taking them for yourself. I don't know where I'm going with this. I think I'm just gonna end the video, guys. I was gonna say we'll probably see you tomorrow, but that's not a promise because we're not doing the daily vlogs anymore. We're just calling them December vlogs because it really does take a lot out of you. Like, I gotta give myself some leeway sometimes. You guys do the same. Appreciate y'all for watching and happy holidays. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, right, but like a full front flip and another half.
You can go on.